This 2001 International 9100i Tandem axle dump truck stock number 020664 is located in Crossville, Tennessee and features an ISM Cummins engine with 370 horsepower and a Jaco brake with a 10-speed transmission. It also features a new heavy-duty 15-foot Jaco dump body, with an air tailgate, an aluminum electric tarp, a heavy-duty Pintle hitch, and a Hendrickson suspension. This tandem dump truck is priced for $32,500. For more information call 931-484-2041 or click the link to the right to visit our website.